Guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn to tie and untie a ratchet strap. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that we're in the yard, we're going to take off all the straps. So these are ratchet straps. You see them on everything, and they're so easy to use, but so many people don't know how to use them. So to take them off, now that they're currently strapped down on the load, there's a little notch just there. Well, you can see it just there maybe. So you lift the lock up to that, and then you go a bit more, you hear it go bang, and now that's it for releasing the lock mechanism or the ratchet mechanism. Give it a pull, off it comes. Simple. Okay, we do some more. So another one. Nice and easy. That's it. So all the excess, I just shove them in there into the holes. So some of them are longer than others. So we undo this one. So yeah, just had it knot in there. Put it all the way up. You see these little notches just here and here. When you get to that point, there's a cam lobe on this side, which will release the lock here, which will release it off the sprocket. So maybe that side there. So when I lift it all the way up, the cam is going to push down this. This is going to slide down to here. This is going to release the lock. Give it a pull. And off it comes. Right. So, yeah, if you want to know how to lock these up, by the way, so get it nice and tight. Whatever you're tying up, get your whole body weight. Give it a good pull back. Try to use up all the slack. We're also doing this one-handed, which you normally don't do. You know to do two-hand. So you pull the finger lock just there, pull that up, bend it in half, start ratcheting. Only when you pull this you can get into the release, so you can't actually get into the release when you're just pulling it up and down. And pull it nice and tight, and that's it. And then when you're finished, rather than having it sticking out, you can just pull it all the way in, and that just keeps it locked in out of the way. So then to release, all the way up, give it a pull, there it comes. Next one, these are nice and simple ones. All the way up, give it a pull, down it comes, up, no, you can go all the way up, that's all the way up, give it a pull, down it comes. If they don't come down, they're obviously old and rusty and all that crap. We're just going to release all of these. And to make sure I don't run over any of them, and make sure that I have them all, just hang them there like that. Same with this one. Hang them there like that. Typical. Right. Okay, so now we have all the ratchets just hanging there. Let's go to the other side and pull off the straps. Okay, so here we are now at the other side. Just pull them all off. Don't let go of them, keep them in your hand. The other end is going to fall on the ground. That's okay, because that's what we want. There we go. That's two more. All in my hand. Okay. I have some sort of weird rainbow now behind me. They're all different colours. Brilliant. Okay, just take this yellow one because it's nice and simple. It's the shortest as well to show in the video. Right, find the middle, which is probably about there. This way I like to do it. Get like this. Start twisting. Because you grab it in the middle, every time you twist, you're pulling the two ends together. And just like that, it's all rolled up, ready to be used for the next go. Okay, I have some more now to do. Okay, now I have them all wrapped up. So I really don't think it makes any difference whether you start in the center, starting where the hook is, or start at the very end and wrap them up. Makes absolutely no difference. Not that I can see anyway, just that this way you're only wrapping up half of it each time, which if you have a lot of them to do, is so much faster. My arms are actually killing me from wrapping these two because they took so long to do. Especially sometimes they're really long ones that we have. And this yellow one is for the back because it's nice and short. When you're tying them over, interesting to know is, say like this one here, there's nothing on this side, and there is dots on this side. So obviously this is the front and this is the back. So when you're throwing it over, make sure that the dots are visible. So that means then that the hook is hooked into the body, and then when you're pulling it over, to make sure that it isn't twisted, you know which side is the inside and outside. And then you have some smart arse like this that designed this one, put it on both sides. So yeah, well done. So whoever designed that one didn't get the memo of what you're meant to do, where all the others are one-sided. So even these ones are, that's one-sided. Oh, where's it gone? That's one-sided. Even the yellow one is front and back. But this blue one, two-sided. Right, let's go get the loader. Okay, and finally that's the trailer now emptied.